Number 1, Mama Bird Prenatal Multi Plus. Some things I love about Mama Bird Prenatal Plus is that you only have to take one a day and it's a 30-day supply. They are vegan, non-GMO, no artificial colors or flavors. They are gluten-free and free from major allergens. It also contains chamomile and ginger, which we all know helps with nausea that comes along with pregnancy. It also has probiotic acidophilus and 4 digestive enzymes amylase, protease, cellulase, and lipase.